Hey Wall Street, how's it going? Founder here, and today we got a brand new video, and today we're gonna be reacting to the Wall Street Bets Reddit. So yeah, let's get into that. First, I want to do the daily stock market recap. Right now, Tesla is at $673 all-time high. So congratulations, Tesla, and everybody who owns it. All-time high. I bought it when it was at $480. So yeah, congratulations to me. I have made a lot of fucking profit because I own 3 shares of Tesla. Let's get Tesla to 1,000. Let's go. Pfizer hasn't grown too much. It's still at $38, so I don't know how that stock is gonna go, but I still don't recommend it. Just put some puts on it. So let's start the video. So the first post we have on Wall Street Bets is from Faux Champion, and he says, when your friends and family call you crazy for going all in on Tesla at the beginning of the year. So yeah, you can see he has a lot of fucking profit. I was in the same position as him. My family was telling me like, you're gonna put $480 on Tesla? That's crazy. Why are you doing that? That's a lot of fucking money. And 3 times that, 1.4K. So that's a lot of fucking money, but it all turned out great. And now I have a lot of fucking money thanks to Tesla. Just believe in yourself, believe in Tesla, and don't listen to people that are dumbasses, okay? Because everybody knows Tesla is the fucking future. Like, you can't fucking mess with the future, bro. Use Verizon posted this. Get ready for the incoming boomers since we are the best investment firm. Let's watch this fucking video.
Yeah.
Is that your car on the lot?
Yeah.
It's a Jag?
Yeah.
Bro, the Tesla 600 call got me dead, bro. It's actually pretty fucking accurate because Aaron Lewis even said it. Put some Tesla calls on 600. And if you did that, you're gonna be a fucking millionaire by now. So yeah, hey, kudos to everybody that put some calls on Tesla 600. Boom Sausage, and he says, broke 100K profits in one of my accounts, sitting on 50K in another. All Tesla shares, baby. 0 options, silver lining of 2020. Bro, I am telling you, Tesla is the best stock to be investing in, bro. He has made $100. Can you imagine how much money that is in such short time, bro? It's like one day I woke up, I have 100K in my account. That's fucking crazy, bro. And he has made $4,000 today, bro. That's fucking crazy. Kudos to you. Damn, fuck. Here we have a video from fracking Chuckles. He says, can you tell when I started fucking around with options? Bro, you gotta be careful with fucking options. That's why I don't do it that much. I don't do options that much because I don't want to lose my fucking money. Unless it's on Tesla. Damn, bro, we started with 4,000. 5,000 is pretty good account. You have a spike. What's the spike about? $10,000. So he got $10,000 and in one day he lost it all, bro. You lost $9,000 in one day. Made it all back, 5,000. You could have buy out, bro, and you still have $5,000 in your account. And don't think with your head, bro. You think with your dick, okay? So, bro, you could have made all your money back, but you decided to still have it going? Like, are you dumb, bro? And now he's at $300, bro. F in the chat, bro. That's a big F. Here we have a video by JD the Bear Cub, trading stocks in your stunk. Tesla on his Tesla. Ironic, bro. Oh my god. Well, everybody's going fucking crazy with Tesla, no cap. Bro, here we have a video by Jailbreak. He says, I shorted Tesla and Tesla won. Bro, look at his account. His account is ruined, bro. How are you gonna put Tesla puts? Like, are you fucking dumb, bro? Oh my god, these fucking people, they don't get it, bro. They don't get how Tesla works. This guy is down $1,000 thanks to Tesla, bro. Don't put puts on Tesla. You fucking dumb, bro. Let's see his retarded chart. Nvidia put, are you dumb, bro? With the new RTX, bro. I'm gonna fucking slap you, you dumbass. Damn, bro, here we have a post by Sturdy Cactus. What should my next play be? Pretty sure I won this. Bro, absolutely, that's a pretty fucking good win. Sturdy Cactus won $20,000 on Apple shares. Damn, bro, here we have a post from Makasatak. He says, plug 1K to 130K. Bro, that's fucking crazy. 7 years in the making, sold a year ago, and then FOMO'd 3 days later. At least you gained a lot. Congratulations on your plug wins, bro. If you could have kept them right now, you will be winning a lot more because plug is going up, 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 up right now. So yeah, that's good and bad, but congratulations on your 130K. Here we have a post from Feed the Birds that said, not as exciting as the usual retard post, but I feel like everyone's been sleeping on CVNA, bro. I don't even know what that company is. Maybe I should invest on it, I don't know. Here we see he has made a gain of $3,000, bro. It's crazy, bro. Congratulations on your 35K. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and see you later, guys. Peace.